Google Pixel 4, the flagship phone by the Android maker that isn't likely to debut until October, has been officially revealed. Google has tweeted an image of the Pixel 4 to confirm the design of the new phone months before its formal launch. The phone featured in the image interestingly matches what we saw from the renders that emerged on the web recently. Notably, the Pixel 4 appears to have a design distinguished from the previous Google phones that had a glass back with a two-tone finish. Other leaks have also suggested gesture controls and Apple's True Tone-like display experience on the Pixel 4. The official Google Pixel 4 image shows a square camera bump at the back that houses two traditional sensors and an LED flash. There is also a third sensor at the top of the dual camera setup that could be used for portraits or wide-angle shots. Further, the image shows a minimal dot at the lower right of the camera module. This is likely to be a noise-canceling microphone. It is significant to note that the Pixel 4 will be the first phone in the Pixel family to sport more than one camera sensor. All the previous Pixel handsets had a single rear camera, though they offered a superior photography experience altogether. The image also shows a white or gray power button at the side of the Pixel 4. Further, there is the company's G logo and the absence of a rear fingerprint sensor. The latter suggests that the phone could sport an in-display fingerprint sensor or an advanced facial recognition feature. Thanks for watching.